Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to instantly level up your workspace by making an eye-catching animated page cover in Notion. If you've always wanted your Notion pages to stand out, maybe for a dashboard, a journal, or your project lists, this quick tutorial will give you the tools you need to create a dynamic, custom GIF cover, even if you're brand new to design. Let's jump right in. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to Canva. Now, Canva is a free and super user-friendly online design platform, and it's absolutely perfect for creating custom graphics without a lot of fuss. If you don't already have a Canva account, just sign up. It only takes a minute. I've already made a simple cover design for this example, but you can create yours from scratch or modify a template. When you're making your cover, use the custom dimensions that best fit Notion's header size. Typically, something like 1500 by 400 pixels works well. Now, here's where we add a little visual magic. For my design, I added a chroma wave effect. You'll find lots of animated elements in Canva. Just go to Elements and type chroma wave or wave animation in the search bar. Drag it onto your cover, adjust the placement and size until it feels right. Animated elements like this chroma wave are what brings your static design to life. You can experiment with different colors, opacities, or even layer a couple of effects for richer movement. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. You can tweak and preview until you love how it looks. Remember, the goal is a cover that's vibrant but still personal to you and your workflow. Once you're happy with your animated cover, it's time to get it out of Canva and into Notion. Click the Share button in the top right corner. From here, we need to choose the Download option. Now, this next point is super important. When you're given the file type choices, select Download as GIF. That's what makes the animation work. Notion supports GIFs for cover images, so if you download as a static image, you won't see any of that cool movement we just added. The download might take a few moments, especially if your design has a lot of frames or details, but that's totally normal. Once it's ready, your file will appear in your Downloads folder. Let's jump over to Notion now. Open up the page where you want to add your animated cover. At the top, you'll see the Add Cover button. Click that. If you already have a cover there, hover over it and hit Change Cover, then select Upload. This part is as simple as it sounds. Just find your animated GIF in your computer, click it, and Notion will upload it as your new page cover. In a few seconds, you'll see your animated cover, fully moving, right at the top of your Notion page. It looks so much better than a static header, and it can add a lot of personality, whether you're using it for personal notes, team dashboards, or creative projects. And that's it. You've just made an animated page cover in Notion, starting from scratch in Canva, and finishing with a quick upload. If you found this tip useful, or if you have any questions, maybe you ran into a snag with resizing or uploading, just drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials on productivity tools, design hacks, and Notion tips. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.